Hello my dear friends, I am Ravi Purohit and I am back with another video. In this video, I am gonna tell you what are the roles and responsibilities are there with pattern maker. Suppose I am a pattern maker, or if you are gonna become pattern maker, then what responsibilities you will have in future, that you will learn in this video. So let us start this video. My dear friends, every person has some roles and responsibility in the industry. So in garment industry also, merchandiser has some roles and responsibility, then manager has some roles and responsibility. In the similar way, pattern maker has some roles and responsibilities. In this video, we will learn 5 different roles and responsibilities of pattern maker. So I have categorized all the responsibilities and I have summarized in the 5 different points. So let us learn these one by one. The first responsibility is make pattern. As now you know what pattern means. So this is a type of pattern. This is pattern of front bodice. What pattern maker will do in the first responsibility is he will make pattern. Suppose a product is shirt. So here pattern maker will receive a take pack of shirt. He will understand the take pack of shirt. So with this understanding, he or she will try to make all the patterns of all the parts. Suppose shirt is there, then he will make pattern for collar band, collar, then front, left front, right front, pocket, yoke, back, sleeve, sleeve placket, curve, like this. And if additional parts are there, then for that also he will make pattern. So this is the first responsibility of pattern maker. Pattern maker will make pattern for sample also and for bulk production also. So this is first responsibility of pattern maker. Second responsibility is grade the pattern. My dear friends, when any apparel industry receives an order, then they receive in different sizes. Like small is there, medium is there, large is there, XL is there, double XL is there. So the first of all, the sample will be approved in a particular sample. Then in size set sample, different types of samples will be made for different sizes. But for bulk production, pattern maker has to make patterns for all the sizes. So the pattern maker will take base size, and with respect to that he will make the grading. Grading is increment or decrement in the size of original pattern. So pattern maker will take a grading chart, and with grading chart for every size pattern maker will make a pattern. Then he or she will send those patterns to CAD for marker making. So this is second responsibility of pattern maker, that is grading of pattern. The third responsibility is checking. My dear friends, for any product, pattern maker will assure that all the cut he made or she made the patterns for all the cut parts, or else it would become very difficult for subsequent processes. Suppose a cutting is done, and later stage if it come to know that any part, a single part is missing, then it would become a big problem for apparel industry. So to cut that pattern again, because there may be a problem of shade variation. Suppose for example, pattern maker forgot to send a pattern of collar band while sending to the CAD department, and marker is made and cutting is done, and later stage it came to know that collar band is missing from the set. Then they will do recutting. Then matching of parts with same shade will become very critical. It is very difficult part to take a same shade for every shirt. So before sending to CAD department, pattern maker will check whether all parts are present or not, and also he will check the details whether all details are present on the pattern or not, like grain line, then number of cuts, then size of pattern. These all details are mentioned on the pattern. He will check that also. So this is third responsibility of pattern maker. Fourth responsibility is do correction. In apparel industry, it may happen that at final stage or at the inspection stage or after stitching, the fit is not proper for any product, then there may be a correction is needed in the pattern. A pattern maker is the person to whom a production people will approach and they will tell them to do unnecessary corrections, like this fit is not proper or this size is going out of tolerance. In while teaching you tech pack, I taught you what tolerance means. So if any product is going out of tolerance, then that piece will be rejected. So to avoid this rejection, the pattern size should be or product size should be within tolerance. And the pattern maker is the key person to achieve this. So if any corrections are needed in pattern, that will be done by pattern maker. So if any problems are coming with respect to fit or with respect to size, then pattern maker will do necessary corrections. So this is fourth responsibility. Fifth responsibility is store patterns. Once the order is completed, then the pattern should be stored nicely. Even if it is manual pattern, then he or she should keep these patterns nicely so that in future he or she can refer for repeated orders. If computerized patterns are there, then a proper folder should be made, and in that folder pattern maker should keep all these patterns so that it will be easy for next subsequent orders, because in apparel industry many times this happens that repeated order comes. So for those repeated orders, pattern maker can refer the previous blocks or previous pattern. So this is fifth responsibility of pattern maker. I hope you all are clear with what 5 responsibilities are there with the pattern maker. That's it for today's video. Thank you. Meet you in next session. A link is given in the description box. For more details, you can read that article to understand more about roles and responsibilities. Thank you.